Hi, my name is Bella. I am a mother to two, a military wife, a grandmother to seven. And before my Pop-On Smile, I never smiled. Growing up, I never had really good teeth, and as I got older, they just continued to deteriorate. After spending multiple thousands of dollars on fixing my teeth, I decided that it was time to put myself first, and I ordered the Pop-On Smile. And I absolutely love these teeth. It is a world of difference. My granddaughter, who is 3, said to me one time, she said, "Grandma, why do you never smile?" And I said, "Because I don't have good teeth and I don't want people to make fun of me." And she said, "Well, I love you and I think you should smile more often." So one day I got the teeth, I put them in my mouth, and I smiled really big for her. And she said, "You have teeth." And I said, "Yes, baby, I have teeth. And I am able to eat anything I want, whenever I want. And I take them out and clean them on a daily basis. And I just absolutely love my smile." People at work have noticed, my husband has noticed, and all of my grandchildren have noticed. So thank you so much for restoring my faith and giving me a wonderful smile. Okay, these are my teeth before my Pop-On Smile, and I just wanted to show you how bad they were. I have no teeth back here, no teeth back here, and these two are chipped along with this tooth, a crown here, a missing tooth here, and a crown here. All right, so when you get your Pop-On Smile, they come in this cute little container. Once you get them, you'll notice that you have your tops and your bottoms, or if you order single sets, you would have bottom set or top set. You simply just pull it out of the container, put it in your mouth, and it snaps in place. As you can see, there's a huge difference in color. And then you will put your bottoms in, and in this case my bottom, so bear with me. Once you hear it snap in place, you now have your teeth covered and you have this beautiful smile. So join me and all the others who have bought these wonderful veneers and come over to Pop-On Smile for your wonderful look. Have a great day.